We have a lot to get to with our final trade of the day. Joining me now is Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot. Always nice to have you here, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
You are talking about Twitter. A lot of people are talking about Twitter. This stock has taken off.
Yes.
What do you think?
Definitely loving Twitter right now. Friday they reported earnings. They crushed earnings on Friday. I think this stock has definitely more momentum to the upside. Actually, on Friday, they hit their 52-week high.
Right.
Yeah, so I think that there's more room to go here in the long term.
You do suspect, though, that there will be some pullbacks here along the way, which is extremely healthy, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I do think that some of that pullback will just be that knee-jerk reaction that we talk about earnings. Also, considering there may be some profit taking after reaching, like I said, that 52-week high. But Twitter, I think, is in a really good space. I think they've kind of found their rhythm, and I think there's more room to go higher, actually.
What would be a potential trade for you here?
It's interesting. I was really looking at some expirations very near to us, maybe even looking out till about September. The risk of putting on a call spread there would cost me about $1.45. But the interesting part of what I really like is the exact same trade out until December, the end of the year. Buying the 41s, selling the 45s is only 50 cents more.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so even with that momentum to the upside, that directional play, I could risk an additional 50 cents, which is fairly small for me, and then even have that long-term momentum, have that time to see that uptrend kind of take shape.
Maybe the options traders haven't discovered this trade yet. People aren't crowding it yet,
You know
right?
what? No, not yet at all. We're looking at those 41s right now being at the money, and those 45s, I think, because we're trading slightly higher than those 41s. I think 45 will be the next stop for Twitter here in the very short term, but at least I have until December of an expiration to kind of have this trade work out for me.
I want to recap a trade that you talked about not too long ago on our show, LendingTree. How's that working out?
Oh, LendingTree is working out well. It's down about $14. We were expecting it to go to 330s. We bought the 350s and sold the 330s down to the downside. So it's working out well for us.
Good to know. Thanks so much for being on our show.
Thanks for having us, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.